Hello everyone, my name is Shivkumar and I am here to present the OOMD seminar topic Management Pattern. Firstly, let's know the meaning of pattern. In architecture, a pattern is an architectural design or style. In software development, a pattern or design pattern is a written document that describes a general solution to a design problem that recurs repeatedly in many projects. We are all familiar with the word a pattern. A pattern is a design or a style. And in software development, a pattern is a necessary thing which used to written document that describes a general solution to a design problem that recurs repeatedly in many projects. Now let's see some of the properties of pattern. Addressing a recurring design problem that arises in specific design situations and represents a solution to fit. And in the earlier, by defining a pattern, we discussed about this. In software development, a recurring design problem that arises in a specific design situation and presents a solution to fit. Document existing, well proven design experience. In pattern, a document existing and well proven design experience is needed. Identifies and specifies abstractions that are above the level of single classes and instances or of components. And a pattern is used to identify and specifies the abstraction which are above the level of single classes and instances, provides a common vocabulary and understanding for design principles. And here a pattern is very useful to provide a common vocabulary, a meaning which is to understanding for a design principles. Means of documenting software architecture. Pattern is a meaning for documenting software architecture. Supports the construction of software with the defined properties. Pattern supports the construction of a software and defined properties. Pattern helps to build complex and heterogeneous software architecture. Helps to manage software complexity. Identifies and specifies abstractions that are above the level of single classes and instances or of components. And a pattern is used to identify and specifies the abstraction which are above the level of single classes and instances, provides a common vocabulary and understanding. A management pattern is consist of a collection of objects of similar kinds of services or even of complex components. One example is incoming events from users or other systems which must be interpreted and scheduled approximately. And here is a one example which defines the incoming event from the user and other systems which must be interpreted and scheduled approximately when the user and other system which must be interpreted which is already scheduled approximately. Another example occurs when the interactive systems must present application specific data in a variety of different ways. In well-structured software systems, separate manager components are often used to handle such homogeneous collection of objects. In a well-structured software systems, a management pattern separate a manager component are often used to handle such homogeneous or similar types of collection of objects. And in management pattern, there are two design patterns of this type. In management pattern, there are two design patterns, and first one command processor pattern and second one view handler pattern. Let's focus on the first one, command processor pattern. It separates the request for a service from its execution. Here, a command processor pattern is very useful which completely separates the service from its execution. A command processor component manages requests as separate objects, schedules their execution, and provides additional services such as the storing of request objects for later undo. When the command processor pattern completely separates the service from its execution, then the command processor component manages which manages the request as a separate objects and which schedules the execution separately and provides the extra service such as the storing of request objects for later undo. And let's focus on the second one, view handler pattern. It helps to manage views in a software system. A view handler component allows client to open, manipulate and dispose of views, coordinates dependencies between views and organize their update. And next is command processor. A command processor design pattern separates the request for a service from its execution. A command processor component manages requests as a separate objects, schedules their execution, and provides additional services such as the storing of request objects for later undo. The command processor design pattern which separates the request for its service and execution, which is similar to the first a design pattern of management pattern which completely separates the service from its execution. A command processor component manages request as a separate object, and the firstly we have discussed in the command processor design pattern, it's also completely separates the request from its object and schedules their execution and provides additional services such as storing of request object for later undo, and which include the view handler design pattern also. And thank you everyone for giving me the chance to give a seminar topic on management pattern.